does curved glass at a reasonable price. And since making them functional, like opening and closing windows, was so expensive, I'm going with solid panes of curved glass on the side and the two in the middle. But the tricky part really is curving the glass, so I'm interested to see how they do that. I think a big part of the reason it was so challenging to find someone that could do this is because the sheer size of the glass we need. Not a lot of places have kilns big enough to heat that big a piece of glass, and they do here. There's definitely a certain level of skill and craftsmanship to the process, particularly when you're using the kiln. Being able to come and see how it's made and how many steps there is, it was just really cool, and I'm glad I got to see the whole process with my own eyes.